Okay, multiple people have asked me about this and nabalitaan ko lang rin ito but at that time I was in Canada. Pasensya na guys. So ngayon sasagutin natin to. Okay, so napabalita nga na V removed his bio as a musician or a band. Tapos ito na yung makikita mo sa IG niya, which is true. But what does this mean? Some people are speculating na baka ito na ang katapusan ng BTS, magsusolo na siya. So I also checked on the other members' Instagram. Ito yung kay Suga, it says Suga of BTS. Ito yung kay Jimin, it just says Jimin. This is RM's, nakalagay right place, wrong person, very cryptic. This one is Jin's, Korean yung nakalagay but it also translates to Jin. And this is J-Hope's, nakalagay lang BTS WIP. So I'm not sure kung may deeper meaning ito but all of them except for Suga don't have BTS on their bio.